cricket clash in the world has begun as the T20 World Cup final between India and South Africa gets underway. India is batting first after winning the all-important toss, and the men in blue will look to avoid a rerun of the ODI World Cup final as they push to post a big total to chase for the Proteas. And I'm being joined at this point by my colleague Varshini. Varshini, where are you and what are the scenes around you?
Well, right now we are in Chennai and we are in a place where a lot of people have gathered today together to watch the match. You can see a lot of kids here who are very eagerly, excitedly waiting here. Let's try and talk to them. Guys, how's the mood today? How are you excited?
See, actually 95% is to win India. But as I'm a Dhoni fan, if Dhoni would be there, 100%.
But we still have Virat Kohli, we still have Rohit Sharma. How excited are you?
First of all, we're very proud of India for making it this far. And we will be proud of them no matter what happens. But
can we have some noise for us?
We're excited that Kohli is finally playing and super Kohli, keep going.
Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma here, who are just giving us more and more extra moments to enjoy. How are you feeling now? You're saying back-to-back fours?
Anxious, very anxious right now.
It's very nervous.
Excited, happy?
very excited. Want India to win.
India will win.
India will win. So that's confidence. That's what Indian team reads right now.
Century is what I'm hoping for.
Children mostly are going crazy here.
We can totally imagine what the excitement is. Thank you very much, Varshini, for giving us those scenes. We leave you to also enjoy some match. I'm also being joined at this point by Himanshu Tripathi, my colleague. Thank you very much. He's also our in-house expert for all things sports, particularly cricket. Thank you very much for joining us, Himanshu. India has decided to bat first. Take us through what are we really looking at?
A very good evening to you, Sneha, our viewers. And one thing which I would like to say before I get into the match, is there a greater unifier than cricket in our country? What we just saw on our screens from Chennai, kids chanting Kohli, Kohli, Rohit, Rohit. Nobody cares when it comes to cricket whether the great man is from Delhi or our skipper is from Mumbai, right? Cricket is a religion in this country. It binds this country like nothing else. It's actually the passion of these fans which has elevated the sport to a cult status. And the way India has started off in this match, it's a dream start. 5 odd boundaries in the first 7 deliveries. King Kohli looking in sublime touch. Fingers crossed. I think we're onto something good here. And the way these two have started off, skipper Rohit and Kohli, I think we could actually end the title drought this night.
Himanshu, there's some bad news coming in, even as we seem to have started on a good note. Rohit is out.
And that is actually maybe the commentators' jinx, as they say. Just as I was going Gaga over Rohit and the way he started off, I mean, what does one say? Tough luck. The man has been in brilliant touch throughout the tournament. He's been leading from the front, has been giving India fantastic flying starts. But this is, what does one say? Like, unlike, I hope we do not take the same path as we did in the ODI World Cup final. However, King Kohli, as I said, has been looking in great touch. It's about time, you know, the law of averages has to come into play. Kohli has not been in the best of forms throughout the tournament. He has been struggling. Everybody knows for a player of his caliber, it's just a matter of few deliveries. Rohit has been dismissed, but I wouldn't be surprised if tonight is Virat Kohli's night and he actually delivers. Very optimistic. Maybe the fingers crossing didn't work. The commentators curse, as I say, but very hopeful that India will actually put up a big total because we know, like South Africa, the Proteas have known to choke under pressure situations. It's a team which has come off a tremendous run. They have been unbeaten in tournament. All credit to him, all credit to them. But if there's a night where India can actually put the Proteas under the pump, it is this big final. The conditions favor the Indian batsmen. It's a bright and sunny in Barbados. It's just a matter of not letting the occasion get to them, putting up a good total, and then letting bowlers led by Boom Boom Bumrah do the work.
Absolutely, Himanshu. And as we always say, may the best win. And may the sports persons, all the fans really enjoy what they see. Thank you very much, Himanshu, for joining us. There's lots to look forward to. In fact, it's not just all of us bleeding blue. It's also the men and women in uniform. My colleague Pradeep got us some of their reactions.
There's a lot of excitement and enthusiasm because all eyes will be glued on the Kensington Oval Stadium at Barbados, and here you can see they are celebrating this moment. Kya bajana chahte hain? I've got a young singer also with me. He will also be. Suno gaur se duniya walo buri nazar na hum pe dalo chahe jitna जोर लगा सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी हिंदुस्तानी हमने कहा है
सूर्य कुमार यादव बनाएगा 100 बनाएगा पक्का
फॉर्म चलेगी
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल जैसे हम अपनी देश की रक्षा कर रहे हैं अपनी देश की मान प्रतिष्ठा बढ़ा रहे हैं ठीक उसी तरह वो क्रिकेट के ग्राउंड में भी हमारी देश की मान प्रतिष्ठा को बढ़ा रहे हैं और उनको हम सब लोगों के तरफ से बहुत बहुत ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं
Oh, you can see there are a lot many supporters of Bumrah and they feel that Surya Kumar once again is going to play magic with the willow and they are going to make South Africa run for that red cherry.
हम होंगे कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब
आज के दिल हो मन में पूरा है विश्वास
आज लाएंगे हम T20 वर्ल्ड कप जल्द